We are in my happy place, the greenhouses at Howlett Hall on main campus, where we're talking controlled environment agriculture on Extension Today.
Extension Today is sponsored by the Ohio State University College of Food, Agricultural, and Environmental Sciences.
I'm here with my good buddy Mark Krogel, a lecturer in the Department of Horticulture and Crop Sciences and a master of the greenhouse. We have nutrient film technique, we have deep water culture, and we have high wire propagation. And this is a great place for you to instruct students here in the College of Food, Agriculture, and Environmental Sciences in controlled environment agriculture technique that mimics what they would use in industry.
They learn both the fundamental physiology of what's happening out here in the greenhouse, and then they come out here and actually see it and work with it. The controlled environment ag industry in Ohio is growing very rapidly. They have a desperate need for employees who understand the production process and how the plants grow. And so this is one way that we're providing for the industry, generating students who have some experience and some knowledge of how greenhouse production works.
For more information on how you can learn how Ohio State is growing our next generation of skilled agricultural workers, head to go.osu.edu/Extension Today.
Extension Today is sponsored by the Ohio State University College of Food, Agricultural, and Environmental Sciences.